Blocks. There are mainly 10 types of blocks available in Scratch 3.0. You will now learn about some commonly used blocks. Blocks are the code or command used to create a program in Scratch. It looks like puzzle piece, and each block connects with other blocks to perform a task. Motion block. The blocks that are used to control the movement of a sprite are known as motion blocks. They are blue in color.
For example, the motion block move 10 steps is used to move a sprite.
Here, 10 is the number of steps that the sprite will move forward.
You can change the number of steps by clicking on the text box in the block and typing the new number.
To make the sprite move backward, give a minus sign before the number as shown below. Move 30 steps. This will move the sprite 30 steps back on the stage. Looks block. The blocks that are used to add speech and thought bubbles to the sprite are called looks block. They are purple in color. For example, you want to add a speech bubble to the sprite for 2 seconds with a message hello as shown. Say hello for 2 seconds. You can change the message by clicking on the message text box and type your own message. You can also change the time by clicking on the time text box. Think for 2 seconds. Events block. This is the topmost block. It helps to run the script on the stage as it controls the starting of scripts. It gives you the control of all the blocks, as without an event block, no program will run. To run the script, you have to click on the Go button before the other blocks when green flag is clicked.